Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be having a look at the OXO Good Grips tin opener. This is it here. So you can see it's got quite a large handle here. That's to make it easier to hold and twist, especially if you have like joint or arthritic issues. It's got a small bottle opener here, and yeah, then we go. It's all just very basic. It's got quite large handles on the base here, and they have a rubberized texture to them, so it's quite easy to hold and grip. One of the issues I have is that, which one is it? Here we go, you can see the handle seems to be prying away, but here we go, look, seems to be prying away, but if you just push it back on, it doesn't seem to be too much of an issue. That's the only complaint I have about them. I have a tin of tuna here to demonstrate. So what we're going to do, is I've just pop that in, grip, and it pops in, and then I'm just going to give it a twist, and you can see all the oil coming through, and it works pretty well. Nice and easy, nice and simple, not too much force is needed. Go, release, and that's it then. That's it basically. And that's the OXO Good Grip tin opener. Thanks for watching.